Pure Dan has emerged. Happy birthday, Phil.
Look, he came into the dressing room. Hello.
Who's the most beautiful thing in this room?
This dog is.
Not us.
Do you like your hoodie? Yes.
Hello there.
Look what's happening.
How are you doing?
This is the best day of my life.
Comfortable. Phil just drowning in the fluff right now.
So heavy.
Key protect. Key attack. I want him to come back.
I think my hamster was bigger than this.
I've seen bigger guinea pigs. Hello there. You just fall asleep on you, Phil.
I want to put him in my pocket. Yeah, the cutest things I've ever seen.
I can't function on any level right now. The world doesn't deserve you. Hello. Wow. I found the sweet spot.
Yeah?
Right here.
Look at this. Yes.
I hid some treats in his hood.
Oh, that's why he loves you so much.
This is why we bonded. Hello. It's fading into your jeans, Phil.
Yeah. Camouflage dog. This one loves Dan. The dog whisperer. How many dogs do you need?
Wait, when did I die?
I think it's just an animated teddy bear from some kind of...
This is a robot teddy bear, it's not an animal. This is far too cute to actually be a living creature. Hello, hello.
Look at that face!
Oh.
Have you ever seen anything so happy?
I want to physically eat you. I feel like they've fallen in love.
They have. They've fallen in love on the Valentine's shoot. Look at this.
Canoodling. Lola the Pomeranian keeps falling asleep on me, which
so
is
warm.
immensely cute but really inconvenient because we want.
Look at the camera. Exciting things.
Am I too warm?
I think that's what it
And
is.
if I was a cold-blooded snack, then this wouldn't be a problem.
No. We're getting Christmased up.
With two out-of-control Pomeranians.
Yeah.
How are you real? I don't think you are. They're having like full conversations in Pomeranian. I mean, I could just watch two Pomeranians squeak at each other for about 5 hours. I don't know about you.
Who's gonna win? Dan versus Pug. Oh no! A new contender has entered the battle.
Hey Phil, I see you've made a friend.
I have.
Name a better trio. We'll wait. So Rudy the Pug is now dressed in the spider outfit.
The scariest
Could
beast
not
of all
be more
time.
comfortable or fashionable right now. Tail wagging away despite having 8 terrifying fluffy legs.
He loves it.
He's a heavy pug.
I love that his tail is wagging.
Quite too interesting.
Dan is here with Winston, who is
Winston-
being an ideal school pupil.
Winston, who like Kanye, is pioneering the skirt. The world isn't ready for it, Winston.
Look at this! He's got the zooms.
He's doing the big zoomies. Somebody stop him.
Good boy.
He's reached his ultimate form.
Getting ready to put the ketchup on Bertie.
I'm just, what kind of message are we sending here? Because you're squeezing the condiment on the dog.
Yeah, let's not think about
Let's
it too
not
much.
think about it too much.
Say hello to the internet. Hi, doggy.
Oh, hey, doggy.
Hello. Look at that happy face.
I'm gonna go ahead and say some words are quite sheep-esque, aren't
Yeah.
you? Are
It's
you
like the snow
sheep-esque?
sheep.
So the concept is literally us, a French bulldog, and then just browsing on our laptops.
Cozily browsing.
You're having fun there, just, I mean, this isn't the most unnatural situation for you, is it, Phil?
No.
Uh-oh. The fluff levels have reached critical.
So much fluff.